Alright, so teachers, nandito po ulit tayo ngayon ang Teacher Nainay TV to offer to you or to share to you another webinar workshops or seminar workshops. All you have to do, kapag ka-login nyo po sa inyong FB account or Facebook account, punta po kayo sa Facebook ng CPD National Seminars for Educators. So ito po yung logo nila, itong blue-green na to. Alright, so once you are there, makikita niyo po dyan ang kanilang cover photo na nakalagay na Continuing Professional Development or the CPD Online Seminar Workshops for Teachers. Okay, bakit ba kailangan natin ng seminar? Ito po ay magagamit natin sa ating unang-una sa ating promotion. Another thing, kung ito ay mayroong i-offer na CPD units, ito po yung pwede natin gamitin sa renewal ng ating PRC license. Alright? So, kaya kung meron po tayong chance, wag na po itong palampasin pa at i-grab na po ito. Alright. So, browse po tayo pababa. You will see their post dated March 22 at 10:58 a.m. Ayan, CPD National Seminars for Educators. Nakalagay po dyan, CHRDF Incorporated, April 2021, Professional Development Program for School Stakeholders. So, all we have to do is to visit their website. Ito pong kulay blong ito, yung www.chdf.org.ph/teachers for complete details of the seminar na gusto po nating attenan. Alright? So, let's open this. Ito po ang unang seminar na kanilang ino-offer. This is a national seminar workshop on effective leadership in the workplace. The theme, non-teaching staff in the forefront, optimizing academic support for the next normal in education. This will be held on April 8 to 10, 2021 via Zoom app, since ito po ay online. Alright? Again, ito po ay National Seminar Workshop. You can choose from national o kaya naman itong isang ino-offer nila is International Seminar Workshop. Ang title po nito ay International Seminar Workshop on Instructional Leadership in 21st Century Pedagogical Approaches. This will be held on April 9 to 11, 2021 via Zoom app din po. So this is a virtual conference for teachers and school leaders. Alright? So if you are a teacher o kaya naman you're a principal or school leaders, pwede po kayong sumama dito. And as you can see here, ito po ay mayroong 15 CPD units once you finished this International Seminar Workshop. Alright? Yun nga lang po, kung makikita ninyo dito, meron silang fee. Okay? Early registration fee is 1,200. For the exclusive access to session and certificates, ayan, you can pay or you may pay until April 3, 2021. This is open for all interested education students, teacher applicants, school leaders, teachers from public or private schools. Okay? So, once again, sabi ko nga, kung gusto niyo ng complete details, nandito po yan. Mamaya open natin. Yan po yung unang International Seminar Workshop na ino-offer nila this coming April. Alright? And then, they have another here, International Seminar Workshop also, on developing critical thinking through contextualized education. This will be held on April 16 to 18, 2021 via Zoom app. Alright, so a virtual conference again for teachers and school leaders. And as you can see here, meron siyang 15 CPD units. Ayan, makaka-earn tayo niyan. And once again, the early registration fee is 1,200 for the exclusive access to session and certificates. Okay? And then we may pay until April 12, 2021. And once again, open for all interested education students, teacher applicants, school leaders, teachers from public and private schools. Alright? So, i-grab na natin ko. Kasi yung ibang international webinar or seminar, nagko-cost siya ng parang registration fee nila is sometimes 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, mga ganyan. Alright? So, close ko po ito. Punta tayo dito sa kanilang website for complete details. Click nyo lang po yung link nila na blue. So, here, mapupunta tayo sa kanilang pinaka-website. Nakalagay ayan. Ito yung mga upcoming events nila or upcoming seminar for teachers. So, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. As you can see here sa National Seminar Workshop, ayan, wala silang CPD units na ino-offer. And then, dito mismo sa website nila, you may download the invitation letter. Ayan po. Ang early registration for this national seminar is 899, which is, ang regular rate niya ay 1,099. Yun ay kung makakapagbayad po kayo until April 5. Ayan, it's written here naman. You will see here. And then, dito naman sa first international seminar workshop, meron din ditong download invitation letter. So, pwede nyo i-download. Ang early reg niya is 1,2. Pero hanggang April, 6 to 8 lang. Pag lumampas na, it will become 1,500. Same as here, dito sa second nilang international seminar workshop. Okay po? So, ayan. So, if you are all interested with this seminars, pwedeng national or international, ayan, sabi ko nga sa inyo, magagamit nyo po yan. Especially the international seminar po. Kasi meron siyang in-offer na 15 CPD units. Ayan, okay po. So, once again, you may use these in your promotion o kaya naman in the renewal of your license. Ayan, mga kaguro. So, once again, I wanna say thank you everyone for watching this video. At sana po ay nakatulong sa inyo si Teacher Nainay nang kayo ay makakuha or makapagpa-register ng maaga para kayo makakuha ng discount sa ating International Seminar Workshop. Okay po? So, once again, nawa po ay mag-i-click na po ang ating like, ayan, share, at subscribe with bell. Teacher Nainay TV. Bye-bye po. Ingat po ang lahat. Paalam!